does Cloud Backup version history save your phone data? Imagine losing a precious photo or important message and wishing you could go back in time to recover it. That's where Cloud Backup version history comes into play, acting like a time machine for your phone data. When you back up your phone to the cloud, it doesn't just save the latest version of your files. Instead, it keeps multiple copies of your data over different points in time. This means if you make a mistake or lose something, you can look back and restore an earlier version. Here's how it works. Once you turn on Cloud Backup on your phone, your photos, messages, app settings, and contacts are uploaded to a remote server managed by a cloud service provider. Every time your data changes, like when you edit a document or delete a photo, the cloud service saves a new version. Think of it as creating a timeline of your data, not just a single snapshot. This way, you can go back to any point in that timeline and retrieve the data exactly as it was then. This feature is especially helpful if you accidentally delete something or if an app update causes issues. For example, if you delete a photo today but it was backed up yesterday, you can restore that photo from the previous backup. Without version history, you might only have the most recent backup, which could already be missing the photo. Different cloud services have different rules about how long they keep these versions. Some keep data for 30 days, others for a year, and some might store versions indefinitely. It's good to check your service's settings so you know how far back you can go. Security is also a big part of cloud backups. Usually, your data is encrypted during transfer and storage, making it hard for anyone to access your information without permission. Some services even add extra encryption tied to your phone's lock screen for extra protection. For everyday users, version history offers peace of mind. If you delete contacts by mistake or lose a family photo after a phone malfunction, you can retrieve an earlier version from the cloud. This is especially useful when managing lots of data or sharing devices with others. Keep in mind that not all cloud backup services support version history, and features vary by provider and device. Restoring data from a previous version usually requires a stable internet connection and might take some time depending on how much data you have. Also, restoring from a backup could overwrite your current data, so it's smart to review what will be replaced before confirming. To make the most of this feature, regularly check your backup settings to ensure version history is turned on. For Android phones, backups are often linked to your Google account, and the process can vary based on your device and Android version. Always keep your account credentials safe so you can access your backups whenever needed. Using Cloud Backup version history in your smartphone routine helps you recover from mistakes, device failures, or data corruption without losing important information. Understanding how it works makes managing your data easier and gives you confidence that your memories and vital information are protected.